Hey everyone, and welcome to your very first tutorial. If you're using an older computer and Blender 2.79, you are in the perfect place. Today, we're going to create something you probably use every day, a simple coffee mug. It's the perfect project for beginners to learn the most important tools. We're going to go and explain every single step. By the end of this video, you will have your own 3D model that you made from scratch. Ready? Let's get started. So here is the default Blender scene. The first thing we do in 3D modeling is almost always the same. We delete the default cube. Cube is selected. It should have an orange outline. In Blender 2.79, you select objects with the right mouse button. Once it's selected, press the X key on your keyboard, and then click Delete to confirm. Great! Now we have a clean slate. Let's add the basic shape for our mug, which is a cylinder. To add a new object, press the keyboard shortcut Shift-A. A menu will pop up. Go to Mesh, and then select Cylinder. Treffind, perfect. This cylinder will be the body of our mug. Now to start shaping it, we need to go into Edit mode. You can do this by pressing the Tab key. You'll see that you can now select the individual points, or vertices, that make up the shape. We want to make the mug hollow. First, let's select the top face of the cylinder. Down here at the bottom, click on the Face Select button. Click the top circle of the cylinder to select it. To delete it, press X, and this time, choose Faces from the menu. Now we have an open tube. To give it some thickness, we're going to use a tool called Extrude. With the top ring of edges still selected, press the E key for Extrude, and then immediately press the S key to scale it inward. Move your mouse a little bit to create the rim of the mug and then left-click to confirm. Now we extrude again to create the inside of the mug. Press E again, but this time press the Z key to lock the movement to the Z axis, which is up and down. Move your mouse down, inside the mug, but don't go all the way through the bottom. Left-click when you're happy with the depth. Okay, it looks like a mug, but it's very blocky. Let's make it smooth. Press Tab to go back to object mode. Over here on the right is the Properties panel. Find the little blue wrench icon. This is the Modifiers tab. Click it. Click Add Modifier and choose Subdivision Surface. Now hover your mouse over the mug and press Ctrl-R. You'll see a pink line appear. This is a loop cut. Scroll your mouse wheel up to add more loops if you want, but for now, just one is fine. Move the loop up near the top rim and left-click to place it. Then slide it very close to the top edge and left-click again to confirm. See how that sharpened the edge? Let's do it again for the bottom. Press Ctrl-R. Move the loop down to the bottom edge, left-click and slide it down. Left-click to confirm. And one more for the inside bottom corner. The last step is the handle. This is the fun part. In Edit mode, switch back to Face Select mode at the bottom. Rotate your view with the middle mouse button so you can see the side of the mug. Now, select two faces, one above the other, where you want the handle to come out. To select the second one, hold down the Shift key while you right-click it. We're going to use a simple tool to create the handle. Press the E key to extrude and just pull the two faces out a little bit. Left-click to confirm. This doesn't look like a handle yet. Here's the magic trick. With those two new faces still selected, find the Mesh menu at the bottom, go to Edges, and select Bridge Edge Loops. And just like that, Blender connects them to form a perfect handle. Press Tab to go back to Object mode and see your finished work. And there you have it. You've successfully modeled a 3D coffee mug from scratch. You learned how to add objects, use Edit mode, extrude, and even use a modifier. That's a huge step. You can click the render button here on the right to see what it looks like with light. Congratulations on completing your first model. Practice is key, so try making another one, maybe a different shape this time. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple tutorials for Blender 279. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or what you'd like to create next. Thanks for watching and happy blending.